In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Gmail look like Outlook. If you prefer Outlook's tighter, information-dense message list, you can get very close in just a few clicks inside Gmail. We'll keep things simple and stick to what matters, changing how much space each email takes up so your inbox looks more compact and efficient, like Outlook's classic view. Start by opening your browser and heading to gmail.com. Once your inbox loads, focus on the top right corner of the page. You'll see the settings gear icon there. This is your quick access to appearance and layout options without digging through deep menus. Click the gear to open the quick settings panel on the right side of your screen. If your panel doesn't appear immediately, give it a second to load. It's fetching options tied to your current inbox. Inside quick settings, look for the section labeled Density. Density controls how roomy or compact the message list appears. Gmail provides three options here: default, comfortable, and compact. Outlook's list typically feels tighter, showing more mail at once. So compact is the choice that best mimics that look. Click compact. You should see the change take effect instantly in the background, so you can judge the difference without leaving the panel. What does compact actually do? It reduces the extra padding around each message row, so more emails fit on the screen at a glance. It also minimizes visual elements like large attachment chips, keeping the focus on senders, subjects, and timestamps. This is helpful if you receive a high volume of mail or work on a laptop where every vertical pixel counts. It's a purely visual adjustment. Your messages, labels, filters, and search all work exactly the same as before. So you're not changing functionality, just how it's presented. If the new layout feels a touch too tight, remember you can always come back to the same density area and toggle between default, comfortable, and compact until it feels right for your eyes and your screen. Compact is especially effective on larger monitors because it prevents your inbox from feeling airy or spaced out. But many users also love it on smaller displays for the added efficiency. That's it. By going to Gmail, opening Settings, selecting Density, and choosing Compact, you've brought your inbox closer to Outlook's streamlined feel. Try working with it for a day to see how much more you can view at once and adjust as needed. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your cleaner, tighter Gmail layout.